Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into a SeatGeek account from your mobile device. This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and search for SeatGeek just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here and simply go ahead and click on the download icon and install it onto your device. Finally, simply tap on this open button, and now on the bottom left hand of your screen, as you can see, there's a sign up button. Simply go ahead and tap on that and click on continue. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to simply go ahead and enter your email address, first name, last name, a password that you want to create, and your phone number, and simply click on sign up. So that is it. Your account will be ready as soon as you do that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you